guys, in this episode of RamboTravels, Isaac and I are escaping the city life yet again, heading out to Suncadia Resort for the day. Well, actually, the weekend.
Nice.
Ooh. Today is Sunday, and we're gonna do Sunday and Monday night, and we're super excited to scope out the grounds, get some relaxation in, eat some good food, hopefully. I heard that they had good food there.
I'm here for it. Let's get it, guys.
All right. Stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye. First impressions, you guys. This place is a lot bigger than I had expected it to be, and to be exact, 570 square feet. Most hotel rooms, for context, are anywhere from 200, 300, maybe 400 square feet. So
yeah, and it's talking about the square feet too, but it doesn't mention those vaulted ceilings, and these ceilings at least are like 14 feet high at least.
Yeah. I also love the fireplace. It makes it feel cozy, gives it more of that cabin vibe.
And the balcony out here is huge. There's so much space. There's 2 little rocking chairs out there, so that's gonna be great for coffee in the morning. It's really clean.
Yes.
Lots of space, lots of little amenities, nice touches that they put here and there, and yeah, hopefully we showcased a lot of that in the montage video we put together for you guys. So.
Absolutely. I think we did a pretty good job.
Definitely. Cheers.
Woo.
All right. See you guys later.
Guys, we just got back from dinner.
Yes.
Down at the Stove House, which is right downstairs from our resort stay. I had the pork belly BLT sandwich, which was pretty good.
And I had the chicken bacon club, which was amazing. Yeah, it was delicious. It was a lot of food, pretty stacked sandwich. I brought half of it back to the room. They gave us a ton of fries. So overall thoughts on that were pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say 8 out of 10 for the maintenance factor.
Yeah, definitely. So one of the things that we really wanted to talk about too was exploring the grounds, the trees, the scenery, the trails. It's really cool and exciting just getting around. I didn't realize how many different trails that they have around here.
Yeah.
Once they showed us the map, I was just really blown away.
They said it was like 25 miles worth of trails too.
That's crazy.
Which is a lot.
So
that's a lot. Yeah.
So there's bike rentals to do with that. There's also There's a little, I wouldn't call it a lake, it's more like a little pond, but you can rent
little paddle boats, and then
electric
electric bikes.
Yeah, we saw a lot of electric bikes going around the grounds too. So yeah, you guys probably saw a lot of that in some of the short clips there. So we just wanted to elaborate on that a little bit more.
Of course.
So one of the other things that we also wanted to talk about was the amenities here. The pool, the hot tub. We did make it over to the area with the pool and shot some video of the interior in there. We didn't go into shooting the indoor pool or the outdoor pool as there's a large amount of families here with children. I don't know if it's a birthday party thing going on or what, but even the staff at the front said there's an abnormal amount of children there today. So I think we just kind of lucked out. Stay tuned to the end if you want to catch all those extra detailed clips, and hope you enjoy.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Isaac and I already went down to the local Cutter's Point coffee shop and grabbed ourselves our morning coffees. He got an Americano, I got a latte. We're doing our Rambo ratings. We're gonna go over the 4 topics that we did in our last video. And so overall, the journey over here, we'll break it down into the 4 categories for you guys. The journey over here, we went ahead and ranked that a 4.5 out of 5 star. The drive from Linwood out here was absolutely beautiful. We took I-90 and very scenic. So Isaac and I, again, it's not like we're going over to Yakima where it's only, agriculture and farming and whatnot. It's absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna stick with a 4.5 out of 5 star for the scenery part of things, or the journey.
All right, guys, the next topic we want to talk about is our stay here. Room size, amazing. One of the largest rooms I've ever stayed in. Fireplace, absolutely amazing. Balcony, amazing. Vaulted ceilings. I like the lamps have some of the lamps on the desk have leaves and stuff in it, and they incorporated that into the tiling of the wall for the shower. But on the flip side of all that, I would say things feel a little dated here. We're gonna talk about the cost in a little bit more, but that kind of leads into why we feel that the room's a little dated.
We ended up giving the stay portion of things a 4 out of 5. And then the next topic was the experience, the overall experience itself. Isaac and I, the spa was a huge highlight for us. We absolutely loved the spa yesterday. You guys will see a whole overview of that. It was very peaceful. There was several different mineral dipping pools, soaking pools. Yes, different temperatures. When you went inside, there was an actual relaxation area.
Yeah, adult bean bags. They had coffee,
love sacks.
tea. The music that was playing was like total meditation type
fireplace
music.
It was definitely a vibe. Also, tied into the experience portion of things, we kind of put the food part in there as well, and the food here is okay, and that's why we're gonna end up giving this a 4.5 out of 5 star, because the food, it could have been a little bit better for especially the price that you're paying. Food doesn't come with the stay here, so everything is separate. So it was really hard for us to kind of justify giving it a 5 star.
One thing we kind of skipped over was the pools, the indoor and the outdoor pools. Yeah. We did stop by there. We got some really short clips, but it's definitely geared towards the families.
Normal.
I think most of the adults were out golfing or on the trails biking.
Sure.
They also did have a little pond area where you could rent little paddle boats and paddle boards and go just get on the water.
Exactly.
So it was kind of
overall good. 4.5 out of 5 star for experience.
Yeah.
Next, we're gonna go into the value. You really get a lot for the convenience factor of things, for the value. And what I mean by that is where we stayed at. We stayed at the inn, and we'll show you a map of an overview of where we stayed at comparable to other places around here. It's like its own community, really. And then there's different little places, different hotels, different places you can stay.
Yeah, so 80% of the land out here is protected land. So that other 20% is either Airbnbs,
Yeah.
townhouses, hotel. They have all different kinds of different locations that you can stay at.
Yeah,
So.
I would say like the amenities, the convenience factor to things, that's high in our books. But for couples luxury getaway though, the room and the dining experience, it's just really hard for Isaac and I to justify giving it that 5-star, only because those were kind of the areas that were kind of lacking in our opinion. So we're gonna stick for value. We're gonna stick with a 4.
That's an insider tip. Make sure you go get your snacks and all your extra goodies before you
Yes.
come down to this area here,
Oh, we
because once you're
did.
here, kind of locked into their store, their coffee stands. You don't. To venture out
Yes.
from here, it's gonna be a journey. So you just bring whatever you
Yes.
want. If there's like a must-have snack or candy or anything else you want to have down here, make sure you bring it before you come down.
With everything that we just went over, the 4 different topics, that gives us a total of a 4.25 roughly out of a 5 for our overall RamboTravels rating. We're gonna continue going on these weekend getaways, and we are so excited to have you guys coming with us and hopefully enjoying the content that we're putting out.
Yeah.
And if you guys have any recommendations of any really unique hidden gems or resorts or hotels,
Airbnb, hotels, whatever. We don't
Absolutely.
care. We'll go check them out.
Yeah.
And
we'll do a review on it.
Yep.
And just let us know. All right.
all right. See you in the
Cheers.
next one, guys.
Cheers.